Pam Seidel at Eglinton Avenue East and Danforth Road in Scarborough, where, as you can see, a red light camera has been installed. It went in a few months ago, back in March. Well, we got a tip from a City News viewer who had a rather annoying experience at this intersection. He says he was here ready to make a legal right-hand turn on the red. So needless to say, he wasn't too happy when he got a ticket in the mail for $325.
There's no common sense in looking at the photo to see that it's a right turn on a red light. But just
which is perfectly legal at that intersection.
Precisely. There are no signs which prevent you from making a right turn on a red.
Right.
And this is pretty much the outcome.
The camera thought that you were going straight through.
Straight through, yes.
And your feeling is that that camera was just... Sean Batson was shocked to get this ticket in the mail recently that included pictures of his car stopped at the red light and then clearly turning right onto Eglinton. Batson says he was told by the clerk at the courthouse where he's now fighting that ticket that it has to do with the distance he was from the sidewalk, that the camera was tricked into thinking he was running the red. But it's obvious that you're turning right here.
Precisely. This should recalibrate the cameras.
How annoying is this for you, Sean?
Well, pretty much I've got to take time out of my schedule to deal with this.
Yeah. And
it could have been resolved if there was a human eye looking over this to make a decision.
Now, the city was able to confirm for us today that a right-hand turn on the red is perfectly legal at this intersection, but they could not tell us how often these mistakes happen, and in particular, how often they happen at this exact intersection. Now, Sean Batson says he personally observed it happen 3 or 4 times to other drivers making the same right-hand turn. That could not be confirmed by the city. They also can't say whether or not they're going to investigate this red light camera and perhaps change the location of the camera itself. So this story did come to us from a City News viewer. If you have something newsworthy you want to share with us, here is how to get in touch with us.